I told me I want to lose my work. I not come out to say and bust it in your head. Hey boy, you know who you deal with?
You can't.
Let me tell you this now.
Stone the commotion. Miss the ship, you know, brother.
No, what I want to
Brother, the commotion, miss the ship.
Respect, Jaja.
You know, it's a beer me thing there. You know what I mean? So you can't really. Yeah, man. Bun rice. Why Red Stripe always have a high revive. You know what I mean?
A real thing, this man.
Mm.
Boy, I just love come here and come all the vibes, you know.
Brother, yes, I spot, man. I guess you know, it's a good reason is better than, you know what I mean, unconscious, you know, kind of thing.
Yeah,
Because we don't know
man,
stuff.
this mad.
Good vibes, I'm sure.
Yeah, Romy. You see, I really out. I really out, you know.
Stone, may I say the same thing, brother, because you don't know a thing. I lie to you,
Yeah, man.
positivity all the way.
He's a nice oriented brother, you know. Your relationship, your work,
For real,
how
man.
you structure your thing.
For real, man.
Yeah, I really out, man.
But you can't forget the fact, say, you know what I mean? It's a relationship thing, brother.
Yeah.
Can't take it to you know, cause you're one burner. See, I may respect you still for dating, but brother,
So
I feel you have a substitute just in case. I guess I know. It's a relationship. Relationship is a serious thing. Like if a woman come in and realize say you depend on she's soul, she's gonna take you for idiot, you know. And when she take you for idiot, you turn some soft soap where you feel so, you know, so lost, thinking say I get a problem. When she put it through one phase, yeah man. Our brother, you have to know yourself, you have to know what you do and think wise. Yes. Yes, honey.
Babe. What's up? You're good?
I mean, people know something long for see you, even though I work there right now. I have to secure everything and make sure you're alright, because I'm loving the check for me, you know.
No, I'm okay. I'm just there at work like usual. Calm down, no man. Mr. Calm down. Where you going, Safa?
What you mean? I can't calm down. What you mean calm down? Babe, I want to know who you is. Yo, if you know me love you in a police suit, is that police clothes there? Yeah. I the one with tear push daily.
My shift at 9 o'clock tonight.
9 o'clock? I come pick you up, man. Alright? Yeah, babe.
So you know so you go see me. So I wish for you there. Alright then. You know easy, you know. Here we are gone. Alright then. I'll get back to you. Alright. Bye, love you. Alright.
See you, sir. Alright. Love you too, baby. Brother, is that one? I want police girl. Hey, I hear me say she.
No. Hold on. I know your man there. Who you feel make them call? They do them something that bad. Are you man yard?
It's like me a talk, you know, listen. Your ears then cock up or sitting. Brother, you can't have one woman.
But me just give the whole speech, but me rate you because you is a relationship man and all them stuff.
Yeah, but you have to accept reality as well. Reality is something where you face the facts. Brother, you say, alright. For example, now this woman, you know him miserable? Eh? You know him blasted miserable when she turn on, me turn her off, and go to the next one then. That's how me do it.
So, hold on then. Put the man,
you drink some more.
All of this. Yeah, man, you need, but you probably need to even stop drink that.
Man, say me stop drink. You're mad, brother, we can't stop drink.
Brother, hold on, let me say, me put this cup together. Of all the women that you could have possibly go pick up a road, is a police woman you go take up. You go take up a woman with a license.
Brother, you want to see her, you want to see her with a gun?
Brother,
that the
the woman that will shoot you, kill you, and tell you say you're escaping a nearby bushes.
Listen to me, man. She don't have no time that she always got work, bro. So me have perfect timing. So there's no way she can catch up on certain things. I'm to you.
This man got
you coward? Eh?
Yes.
Yeah, Thomas?
Coward man keeps sound one.
Brother. You should just sneeze a while ago.
Jesus Christ. You feel the bun to ras.
Brother, listen to me, man. You can't go on like,
Me not
you're
come
coward. Me not like that. No, brother.
What you mean by no, brother?
What school, man?
Big man. Them same thing you make woman show a hot tiling in your ears.
I know, so the police woman have one squaddy, and the squaddy look just as fine, brother.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
so, hold on it. Wait, you try to set me up?
I'm not set me, I set you up. Me, I set up on a thing.
No. No. Brother, she could have even just walk with a button.
Can't believe that man.
She could have even just walk with a taser. Me no want involved in nothing like that. Me, I stick to me one burner. Big man, me's a loyal soldier. I'm want to keep it that way there.
You go and keep it until them drive you crazy and then you go say if you ain't know.
What you?
And that you go say, no, brother. But what is the thing you go say?
Brother.
What is the thing you come out your mouth? Brother. And you come right back here so slung in that chair there. And that's this a woman a yard. Go me there right now and you go say, if I had listened.
Relationship.
You understand me I say?
The meaning of relationship changing at this time. Cause if relationship did mean what it mean back then, what it mean now. You and me wouldn't probably ban. You don't know, you wouldn't even know why your father had the ban.
Stone. You're rolling stone, you know. You forget that no mass. What do you think your mother name is Stone? Your last name is Stone. Roll, go down, enjoy life. We mean, Can't believe Stone. Still.
I do not want to be that kind of a man.
Well?
I want to live a life where me can hold my head high and make my woman walk proud.
Yeah, man, I can't guess I know. You see, my baby is very special to me. Honey, what about honey?
Hey.
Alright?
Yeah.
You're my Stone, there reason as usual. You know, one beer, have no fear.
I start chill by myself.
Who is Stone?
Is it Stone, yeah?
Who him be? I don't understand. You not hear me like going there over this.
You want to hear, man?
You not hear me.
Yeah,
Me I take time talking, can't hear me, I ask her who him.
Stone, I'm a person who always come here with me sometime, come drink rum. I say, I just always, hang out spot.
So I him always care come there?
Yeah, him see him always because he came in here.
So he looks so different. He head ball man, one time he did Rasta.
Exactly, him see man.
Stone, hi Stone. What's up with him?
Good man, I same same time, anytime drink rum.
A long time I don't see you, but you're trim man.
You get low. You know what I mean? You have a coward bone.
Oh, Stone. A long time I don't see you look different man. You're trim.
Yeah. Get gone.
You're bald you know. So make you cut off your ear.
Yo, see Rose you're saying, Rose you wanna say?
I would do him. A drink or not drink?
Yeah, in time he drinking just get coward.
So, what happened? What want to talk about now?
What a reason? I'm soon coming.
No, look here, you're going from morning, babes, and a long time that much. Oh, I know I'm going to talk to you about something very, very important.
Remember, say you want the thing from down a Buckingham?
Yes,
Yeah,
and me
I
have
see.
something to tell you. Me something very special happened today. I want to talk to you about it.
I can imagine you're excited, don't you?
Yes, I want to tell you about it.
Well, listen.
Just make case and talk to your friend and come. All right, Stone?
No, listen. Yeah, listen. You see, after me and Stone talk, I have to go drop Stone down at the supermarket. And then after I drop down at the supermarket,
Listen, babe. Think you can take one taxi and I have to drop him down there?
look at me making take taxi for true, but no man, I can't do that. Let me drop him down and I have to hard back. You must see what the ice cream too.
So you don't have no fear. You can't just give him one fear and make him one. See, I want taxi to come.
No man, he walk come far, so I have to start it out. Yeah?
Hurry up and drink and come in. I know if you have left.
No man, it's say back and you done, sit there.
All right.
Last
so
lap with the pan.
hurry up and come in.
Yes,
Remember, say
babe.
me have something to tell
All
you.
right.
Me case. Love you, baby.
Listen, come on,
All
love
right.
it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
She quiet like a lamb. That's why you're still there. And she, I maintain. You see, Carol?
Big man.
Listen to me, man. You see, Carol, that road, that's and she sending money for me to sort out it. You understand me, I say? But the police money is something different. Yo, ready?
Yeah, me understand now. You carry me come my yard and insult you, make all your woman just insult me and disrespect me. You know, she know my woman? Does she know my woman?
She know your man, brother,
But it doesn't look like she know my woman. And then I come and accuse me. That was when me did a harass.
Yeah, I saw when no man jealous and ain't going on.
But that was when I was harassed. Right now, me a ballhead, so me dash away Rasta man things.
Brother, let's go.
Right now, me talk straight. Big man, look here now, and I don't like when they mix me.
At 9 o'clock.
See, them see me now. Now mix me now.
What's going on?
Oh my God, babe.
It's been a long day.
Babe, I'm glad for saying that. You know, say, whole day me a think about you. I'm virgin at all the vibes and a reason. I tell him, say, yo, I'm so happy that I get the opportunity to be your man. You understand?
You better?
Listen to me, man. I know say enough man I hunt you up, you know. I hunt you, God.
You feel enough holy here, pa?
Because basically you look good in your police uniform. So tell me something. How you deal with them? Like, you know, they must stalk you and them something. How you feel?
To be honest, I not really met them.
Okay.
When they call to me, just look around them. I not really skin no teeth with nobody because I don't want to feel like I'm the laughy type.
Exactly.
Seriousness me deal with.
Because you might say, you say, I'm really want to speak and feel special. You know, way if you know, say, I'm me and you one and only.
That's right.
You understand me? I remember, say, you told me, say, I'm here first. You know,
Because you are the first.
You sure do. Yeah,
I'm not answer you.
No, man, I chop me. You got some little joke already, man. Wow.
You're tormenting, you know?
So tell me seriously, how was work today? How was work? Can you not answer me?
Work was okay.
Yeah. Can handle
Normal.
it. Can handle it.
Of course. Angle my bango. Triangle.
We love that something there. Hey, I love to see you sometimes you walk with a big gun by inside your waist. Suppose one day you have to bust it. You ever think you bust it before?
Yeah?
That's
some of the more.
No, Well, you know, I know it's a serious level now. I want to take this to the higher heights. I'm meaning, you know, if you go on some, you know, some outings. Because I know see you work hard at daytime, you know, you're always in the office.
I don't need a vacation, I'm not telling you that.
I'm not talking about, so I'm going to take you out. But which part you don't really want to go? Maybe you think about, like, you know, are you the person you love to go to beach, river, what? I just want us in one pool.
Brother, I want to come out of the country. Like,
out of the country?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a US dollar?
Yeah. Because Panama one of them places you go. You know, kick back.
That's true, man. If
you want 2 weeks.
2 weeks, not true?
2 weeks sound good.
As long as I get a vacation, start it out, I know what I'm going to do. Because when you set it, I just make everything come to pass.
Alright.
You understand? So you want to eat tonight?
Anything.
Anything
Not fancy though.
Unfancy?
Not appreciate.
I am carry to your house and cook for you.
Yeah, that much better.
That sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, babe, let's go.
Let's
Go, baby!
Yes, let's hit the road.
Yeah, we can stop and pick up a little something, you know what I mean? Spice up the evening. Alright?
Hello? How old is here? What? Lady, you sure say you have the right number? Me if you leave your man alone. Why you not say me a policeman? How I really a go on? Look here, I'm not in the bag of argument with your lady, look here. I'm not in the argument with you because you come like a somebody we just cuss and war over man. I'm not depend on that. You understand? You know what? Come off my phone. Come off my phone. Talk about bright. If you left arm man alone. That dirty foot boy. Who you call my phone for? You're the outside. We are the outside. Alright then, may I come? Okay.
Babes, what going? Why are there? I'm there. I go and fix up something for your show later. Because I don't know. The laptop is down for somewhere and the keyboard thing. So I'm there. I try to fix up what I go on. But, hold on. Where sound so? Police woman. But, babes, where I talk? I'm not a police woman. What could I really... Hold on there. Make a call there. This doesn't sound right. Yo, Bridget, where there? Ah, my fault. Right now.
Yes, Stone. You may call back the Stone, yeah? Babe.
Look how one go on. Look here, don't do it.
I want now.
After me put my trust in you, right? You cheat for me. You have different girl out the road.
Me a cheat on you, me?
Yes, you.
Come on, babe.
You say if I never want thing, I show me no want to lose my work. I not come to say I'm bust in your head. Hey boy, you know who you are dealing with?
can't.
Let me tell you this now. If you know who you are dealing with, you hear?
Babe, school, babe.
You have a look at that waste girl out the road. I have me.
Babe, listen.
Things don't work like that. Look here.
You sure your facts are straight? What
you mean?
What you mean? So what me mean?
Pass
Why you tell me don't drive yourself?
Pass a phone.
I'm to my phone.
Let me see your phone.
What you want to see? On my phone and on your phone?
No, I'm not search man.
Yeah, but
phone.
what exactly
But
on
you
the
push
phone?
me to do it.
Babe, listen to me. The situation I get out of hand for nothing at all.
Out of hand.
But alright, who tell you them foolishness?
You don't need to know that. You don't need to know that.
Because I'm not guilty, I'm innocent.
No, raise a voice off for me. You are guilty.
Listen to me.
Don't hold on for me.
Hear me out now, man.
You say if I never one thing.
Hear me out now, babe. Just listen.
You see if I never one thing.
Babe, I remember saying me. I'm the first person who go inside again.
Me not care about that.
Listen to me, so why me not take it
Me
for a
not
joke?
care about that.
So why me not take it for a joke,
What
babe?
you mean by why you would take me for joke?
Yes, why me not take
Man just cannot satisfy. I just that.
You satisfy me. What you talking about?
Me satisfy you cannot satisfy. What the problem?
Babe, there's nothing in this world I want more than you. Like,
More than me?
Your business. Come
More
on.
than me.
Let's go, babe. Are you come
No, more than but I have a next girl, not true.
Which next girl? No girl no exists. Are you alone? One and only.
Look here, me not
Babe,
in
that's
this
cool.
with you, yeah?
What do you mean this with me?
Me not in this with you. The
Look
games
how
that where you play, you alone a play
There is
it.
no. I am.
Me not playing a games with
You
you.
hear me now? Alright, come here. Listen,
Just
just
stop
calm
what
down,
I'm
calm down.
palming on you. Just stop what I'm palming on. If you talk, you talk.
I'm not used to that kind of talk. Me have to touch you and hold.
Look
So why
here,
you make it seem so?
yeah, get me angry, you know that? Yeah, get me angry.
Yeah, you say come to
I choose to come. Look here. It makes sense I never come here.
Why?
It makes sense I never come in my
You
life.
sure?
If I didn't know say I gotta do this, it makes sense they see me and just leave me alone.
I don't think you understand what I'm saying.
Me understand what me I say.
I think you're
It don't make no sense. Me dey work every day, work, come home.
I'm
You
sending
me
flowers
want
every
see.
day. But
Send me flowers.
Yes, I send the flowers, chocolate. On Valentine's Day, I come up, what you talk about?
You send me hit, yes.
Yes, so
Me
but why would I send you that, babe? Why would I send you that? Why? Me I waste my
Man, come
time.
never love it from the moon. Me tell you something, yeah, man. Then still a go cheat.
I'm not
Man,
like that.
man don't always cheat.
Listen to me, I'm not like
You
that.
take off hat?
I swear, I'm not like
Swear
that.
for what?
Me swear for my life. I say me not do that
Swear for
something.
your life?
Yes.
Gosh, that strike a light now. Burn off your locks, them.
Don't do that, man. I'm saying something there.
You see you?
Trust me.
Me not in this city,
Trust
me
me.
I
Alright,
can't go
trust me.
in.
Trust me,
Me
trust
I
me.
can't go in. It makes sense me never come out here to you.
All right.
Me should have boiled hot water on my way coming out and just go and dash it on you. To me dark right now and ignorant.
All right. Me understand.
Go on in your vehicle and drive and go on, brother. Just leave me alone,
But
yeah?
yes, I say one. I say you express yourself to me. The first
No,
man.
me go inside.
But
me
I'm the
go-
first man in
No,
your
me
world.
go inside. I'm not afraid to lose my job, here. No, me go inside. I'm gonna come back out here. Cause you go get it. I mean it.
Just you going with your threat me now with
Yes,
other
me are
authority.
threatening you.
Eh?
Don't me go inside and come back out here. You're out here. Me swear to God. A long time one bust a boy jelly. I'm going to make you be the first one.
Oh, yes,
You want to be the first up if you
Babe, me know say you're upset.
You want to be the first one?
Me know you're upset, but me gotta leave you right now and make you think about it.
Think about it. Think about it. It's either you have to pick, choose, or refuse
make you think about
before you lose later. Goodbye.
Can't believe she had done me so. It's alright. Like Stone, if I hear this start to rotted.
7-7. Can't count. Him supposed to fall today. Watch out. See me too. Yeah, dear boy.
Why am I there, you know? Go on with it, you know?
Slim. Yo, draw 7 now.
Look like when you just start the game, so.
But we have to draw 9 now. Alright, yes, 7. I'm here, man.
Alright. Yo, you remember the police woman number where you give me, man?
Which one that?
One day give me, Monday gonna give me number.
Oh, that sexy woman they are
That
talking about.
same woman there, brother. I want to tell her, say,
Oh.
brother, everything does come like it and mash up. I want to tell her, say, woman, find the number in one of my pants pocket them.
Oh, yeah.
Call the police woman, my youth, and I said, she should leave her man alone and then make a thing there. Come like a problem you put me in my head. You can show me take a number from her, brother.
Then what kind of mix up thing this? Then what you tell the woman say?
Couldn't tell her nothing, brother. I want to tell her, say, she tell me, say, by the time I reach home, the whole her things then I come out of my house and she move out, brother. She hang up on me, my youth.
Yo, brother, just go home, go fix that, and make sure you say I want big mistake.
Alright, I put me in a position there, but alright. I try something can do to fix
You
it.
think that?
There, you know, go on do the thing.
Stone. This way see I go out there.
I'm still cut up how your wife did with me from the other day. You know.
Brother, no worry about
come
you.
in your yard good. I come chill with you. I say me you're a friend. And I saw you're a woman deal with me. Yo.
Brother, I mean, I think she did, you know, I just question and she just talk some things where it's just serious, but, you know what I mean, a joke here run.
She look like she did a joke.
Brother, I beg she say, you trim your rasta. Hmm?
You know, I talk about only that, brother. She did with my character away, man.
What's cool, man, make it sound away, brother, like, you be so sensitive, you know, but me see you dress up, or what? How somewhere you go?
Me figure get a piece of work, figure do some work in here. But man call me and cancel for my last minute, so I just show them not that the sound there, so sit down and watch out. I see y'all come over here and I wonder more and tell us I don't come on my yard, you know, but... Oh, yeah, man.
Stu, let me tell you something, man. As bad as things be, I understand you still. Because I see you turn over the years. But I have to tell you a thing, brother. You remember when I talked to you about the police woman? Eh?
Brother, man, I tell you, I don't want to hear nothing about them something them my youth. Because I know sometimes shit hit the fan and your woman and me she go come to. And I don't want to know.
What me I tell you, listen, what's going on, brother? You're already involved in that situation.
It
means you're not involved. What you talking about?
Jesus Christ.
Yo, open your ears, the man. The backside here, listen to me, I said, the man, you me have to talk to, brother. Oh, you talk, wait. Yo, don't do me that, bro. So when me come out now and I talk to my girl now, at her Brittany, brother, the woman come out, I was like, you want to give me a box on my face. I said to myself, say, why would she even want to do that? Rosie, brother. Rosie a problem. But I prefer to cut off Rosie there now. And Brittany I want. So you have to help me get Brittany, brother. Can't bother Rosie, man. We just chat, all kind of mad. This make me sick and tired of that, brother.
You're not afraid of God? And me you want Rosie kill? Big man.
So what you think if you do? Someone else what? Because Rosie now, when she come, later on, you know it's a problem.
Take my foolish advice. Leave Brittany alone. Leave the firearm holder alone.
But she know if you do the things then, brother.
She know if you do the things then. And she is going to know how to put your 6'6" too. Yes? And he say if she not put your 6'6", I know Rosie going to put your 12'12".
No, but no, listen to me, I say, man. Come in and you talk about 6 foot and 12'12".
So...
Yo, just listen to me, I say,
alright,
so happiness me I look, brother.
Okay, so you're never happy with Rosie when you take over there?
Yeah, but listen to me, I say, man, just hear me out, brother. Rosie kind of have one little thing about her, wow. I'm tired of brother. But when we run, just a look for me and her braces in her teeth, it just have one, you know what I mean? It just have one appeal. Rose now, when she grab me, you know what I mean? She just say, sit down there, sir. And she has to make sure you don't come and sit there, brother, and you know.
She not finesse.
It's like she want a 4-play and 4-play too long, brother. I can't bother sitting there.
Then you should have 5 and 6 play it then.
But I can't do that something, man.
What the cause this?
Brother, I'm not joking business, sir.
On one hand, you have a woman where you live with for how many years, building relationship and building trust, building all these things. And on the other hand, you have a girl where you just meet, where I show you look a tack, look a finesse.
I feel alive. It's like she should put one spark for my brother.
Sir,
eh?
Big man, I believe it's just a relationship you need for work, man.
No, yo.
What else you want me to tell you?
No, I get it, man.
It's most your woman. See how my woman here come. Look what the cause all of this. Listen to me.
Cynthia come.
Work on your relationship with Rosie. Don't follow up Brittany. Brittany will kill you. But don't. Hey, look here.
Cynthia come top of night, brother. You want to hear everything?
Afternoon.
I'll go on there.
Come daughter, come poopy.
Hey, you go, Cynthia. Man, bless up. Make a left out ice mat here. Yeah, because you know, I'm going to reach there with him and thing. Alright, can you go up on the road, but then cancel upon him. See, in thing.
Yeah.
You brother, later, here?
Yeah, man.
Traffic trouble. Alright, later.
But I don't know why you dress up my child like that. I never did see until I left out of the house. Oh God, come go in. Ah, boy. Ay. So we're going down on the road. We're going on the road. Jesus.
You know, see, you keep a bag of extraness with them and the whole, them, I guess it's their campaign thing.
You eat
For
it.
people, we come out some man box and think me a pinty, me I tell you, you feel like a joke.
I tell you something, bro. I never saw you coming out in them clothes, but you should have known better.
Alright, go and go ramp. To see you active. So what you do since my gone, babe? Give me a penny biscuit. Up on the floor, take a copy. Up on the floor.
No.
You try everything, because if I do something, put on my mouth, God kill me.
Right underneath us.
Seriously, you're so wicked. No, baby. Wanna kill the fat one? Alright, no, fertilizer.
You see all you too? I think then we say babies love them father. Girl babies love them father. I don't understand this one. Definitely.
That is not understand the gibberish. You know, so she started off.
His
And I say if you're mad, you don't really so
His jacket, baby. His jacket.
The jacket is fit. Whole suit. Come like it cut to fit.
Leave this alone. My next woman give me. I'm just playing.
But most.
Anyways.
Most me have.
But you know, on a serious note.
Yeah, talk to me, babe.
Me, you know I can confide in you. I know I can confide in you with
About
anything.
anything, babe.
Right. And something been bothering me. Something that my friend recently tell me. You know which friend I talk, right?
Fair boy there.
And I don't want to really start in business, but it depends on my mind.
You know,
Like,
me different, babe. Whatever we talk about, I already say it there. We've been there and done that.
he might give Rosie bun.
I lie.
See, them something I love to. You say you love the mix up. You say you get excited a while ago.
You even know mix up and stuff. You true though? How you know that? You see him?
Hear all them something. You think me a farmer?
No, that's true still. Babe.
But he might do certain things in front of me. In there with one police girl too, you know.
And the woman is jealous, babe.
I tell you, so the man I live risky.
No, that must.
So it all have me now concern about all film safety. And all mine. Because if Rosie ever find out, Rosie go think say me know.
And a problem that you know she steal.
But me actually know.
But you see I'm blind and here and there for now.
But me in a trouble. Because him come to me now and ask me advice. How to leave Rosie.
Babe, so what you gonna do? I can't commit in a friendship, you know. I mean, I tell you the truth, I see my spirit not take him. There's just something about his energy that's off, and I can't pinpoint it. I put my finger on it because you know always there on the lookers, you know, on the bridging moments and stuff. I tell you something right about him, babe. But I know you're not gonna see it because you come on to your friendship them sometimes, but I'm not feel him. How want the cup?
It's your mother's pitney.
Look at all the show shade at me. I need to stop this.
I don't know what you're talking about. But look here now, on a serious note, I really don't know what to do. He come to me and ask me, and I'm serious about what him think. He's serious about what? Me think. Like he values my opinion in the whole scheme of things. And I really don't.
You know, I'm kind of look up to you now one way, because you know how you steer it, babe. You always have good advice and positive things to say, so, you know. I'm perspective, girl. Babe, so what I would do? Are you a friend, you know?
Well, I did give him my opinion. My honest opinion was to leave the police girl alone and stick to your woman where you know where you're there with your money years. I mean, I was looking up to the man, me think so that youth was a liar, you think? Because at one point in time, I say, oh, I want film relationship to be like his. But now, it look like film broken and a film. Alright.
That's why sometimes you have to look up to yourself and use your experiences as your own motivation, babe. Because sometimes we see people and feel like I said them live alright. And they're not alright, they're not much better than we. Because when they're so balanced outside way and see it there, the girl don't deserve that though, but I'm not really get into it too much because when everything work out and everything said and done, and them said we like how me go through ups and downs and they
give and take. We have to give and take because sometimes you snore like you go uphill, but
and God, you see one more time a toothpick we don't have. Anyhow, you take number shot at me a toothpick you here.
You're gullible. But it's not like you missed it all here though.
Yes.
Nah, great back. Look here now, I'm gonna look something for you from the fridge. You want anything?
So prepare me dehydrated.
Alright.
I'm coming in here, baby. I come to the here and he vexed. I said, Miss Carl was in none of this. This is a festive, and no be public. Come on, look at the father, come on. My good buddy friend Rosie. Rosie girl.
Oh, that sound like a pinky. Watch ya! I want breathe. Come in, girl. You never
Cold breeze and mix up, my love.
Girl, why you tell me say did I come check me the other day? You know, link me, you know, do nothing at all. And me did have one party for me. You go, you know, girl.
Jesus Christ, alive. Girl.
All in white. On the beach road and the grill. Me did want me you figure, but girl.
You know I'm man overprotective and stay, girl. You know Rosie.
She don't know.
Jesus.
It hurt me, you know, because me say me buy my white shirt and my white shorts because me did want go all in white. Up the beach, girl. But guess what? Me not bother go because you know say anyway the party there and me and you ain't going.
Me can't miss that girl. Me really miss
What did happen to you?
Look how long me not, girl. What the fuck? Scratch all that. Girl, me come for game mix up. You know you're my friend and me can't hide nothing for you if I talk
What kind of news is now? You win a lot of?
Friend. Me want me to call you and tell you about a little thing there on the phone. And that me come to talk to you about. Because you know you're my friend and I love you and me can't hide nothing for you, girl. No, let me tell you something I really want to tell you a whole, but girl, my boyfriend tell me. And you know, say my boyfriend and him are so, he won't know them are so. You know how they move, girl. Me hear say one police girl, one tall black police girl. Girl, me know your head hot, no bother with him, man. G, calm down. You know how you stay friend. Lord Jesus, man, you know that. Friend, no bother with him, man. Alright, fine, we have to go beat the girl. Fine, we have to go beat the girl. We have to go beat the girl, because you know how we stay ready. But me can't believe, say boy, the other time, because you're the boy, good. Eh? Everything you do for that boy, not too good for you do for you, boy. Oh,
my man, girl. When me spend so much money pan,
friend, you know me not telling a lie.
I the dearest perfume I buy for him.
Me know you come down boy,
anytime
man.
I come through airport, you know our airport, the cologne them in the airport expensive. You know them thief.
Yeah, girl.
But a name brand and they smell good.
Me know you come down
anytime
strong,
I fly
boy,
out
man.
and come back, I be a them cologne there and be a name brand suit and sitting. And the boy at this me so I put on my perfume when me buy give him. And go make rub up himself and girl make girl smell it. Saying smell good.
Here. I couldn't believe.
And the nice clothes them buy give me go boast with girl in night and a parry
you
police
don't
girl.
deserve that. You don't deserve that, friend. Me I tell you the truth. Girl, me I tell you, I feel a way, I feel hurt for you, me I feel a second hand hurt. Me I tell you, me feel it, girl. I couldn't believe, girl, my man not even did one. Tell me, just hold out. We have to go just beat the girl and done, because she bright. She bright, you feel like she show up, she a police. I'm afraid of police, I don't really care. Girl, my man not even did one. Tell me.
Girl, me not call back your name to you, man.
Yeah, do.
You know say me not do that already.
Girl, you traumatized. You not even did one. Tell me. I'm seeing face today long and I say, baby, you look so. And girl, you not even want to tell me I have to dig you out of him. And I say, tell me I'm not to say nothing because you know how he's staying. He don't really hide nothing from me, so I don't really want, you know, I don't really want to mess up that. But yeah, my friend said, I can't hide nothing from him.
Where girl live? You know where girl live? You tell her where girl live?
I can't find that. And you know, I can't ask him. I can't pick you out of him.
Oh, she's so bright. Oh, this a girl is so bright. She thinks that she a police if you come there with my man. Well, my man a civilian. I'm a civilian.
She don't know
why she not go look for a policeman?
Exactly. Why you're a man out of all the man in our world?
So my man.
My friend, man.
She attractive too. She not see no other man. Girl, okay, I'm going to teach her a lesson. If you know if you leave people man alone.
Me all I make you beat her.
She if you leave people man alone
never take a
and go
next girl,
find
man.
a man for her own.
Right, that's a she.
You see, girl, them will love take with people, man. Me can't bother with them, you know.
Why, my friend, man? I should even know my greed.
Look here. A matter of fact, my man don't have no right to go cheat on me. Because me give him in every style, every position.
What you doing, Rosie? You're a good girl, good girl. Hug girl like your heart for fine, girl.
Girl, me cook, wash and me clean so till me have whitlow. Look there. Me fingernail them.
Friend, you're still a friend. You're going to beat the girl.
No,
we
man.
are gonna beat the girl.
Pinky, you know, say,
Iggy
not
fear.
take it for joke, I'm serious. Me need to find where she live. Or me lay wait her anytime she go work because she not get where
I
we
find where
live.
she live. Me, I find where she live.
So my man I take my money and go give him. And him a work too, you know, my man I work. So you know, see a double money, she a get triple because she a work for government and she a get good pay. So what happened?
That
For her man,
is
which that the girl must have one man.
Me know say I can't hear a man alone. Because I feel like I'll spite. Because some girl see a relationship good, you know, and just want to take your man to prove a point and true. She a police, she feel like she more than we. And she not more than we. She dumb more than we. I truly even know a friend. Right now, I tell you the truth, I vex with him, you know. I vex with him, but I can't show him no face.
I can't wait to see her, you know.
No.
Me I try to breathe easy.
I know how you
And
stay,
try to
our
calm
Lord.
down my nerve because me no want get too hot and too stink and rotten right now. So me just a try to breathe easy
And go
until
see
me
her
hold the
too.
junk
Because I
out.
know a girl can't look good like my blood nice friend. She can't look good like my friend. Because that with man, you know.
Never.
It's an upgrade. You know,
Okay.
I take a girl now league or something else. I go take some little worse set of girl.
You know, say some girl love take people man too much. I mean, and I'm not joking. Yes, when you know my style already, you know. That's why I'm not cheating, you know. Because yes, when you come on to my man,
But look how long
me
you
no want
boy
no girl
have
play with me. Me no want no girl play with me.
Wicked, you know.
So it look like I say, fear man can't angle her properly. Why you love people man so okay? I go and give her where she dey look for. Know yourself. When you want, we go check her.
Anytime you're ready, we just want to ask.
What time?
Find out where you
Listen,
live.
find
your
out
time.
the shift them when she dey pan,
Mhm.
and me and you go meet her. Me not even want you beat. Me don't want you touch her. Like put no hand pan her, the lick her, nothing at all.
Hold the
Me want
girl
you
like
hold him.
I know you
He
can't
can't
angle
get
triangle
away.
that friend. Me know you can't
Me
angle
want you
that.
hold her. Cause when me done with her,
Say,
all me man a go shame on me. Watch me and
him deserve the embarrassment. Him
Okay.
deserve. Me can't believe the
because
friend.
you know me feel like I'll take one dress and stuck in a girl mouth. That girl is too bright, man.
Wicked piece of girl. What do them girl are? Find your own man. Find your own man.
You know, so when me pick up that the man there, I want a little dirty slippers in your
No,
van.
never go
Remember
and
me
see boy,
did
me
tell
must
you?
remember.
Yes. I want a little tear out body pants and he head dirty and
And
he
him
look
angry
he
like
look
boy beard. I know a good
no,
roll
me
and
man, no,
feel
chat
like.
me and chat him at the truth.
But
Sometimes
I
when I take
truth.
up some little dirty butterfoot man and turn them into something, at that time some girls see them and when they when look one way, no girl not see them, you know, and they don't want them.
If you remember those friends, he ungrateful look if you remember good. Ah, you come from with that. What the fuck kind of far? Or you come from with that boy there?
You know the struggle me go through with him.
I mean, if I know me not there right
So every time when me go here that thing out there I do cheat. Some girl come hold on for him now like a okay.
I couldn't believe it.
A fee man. Okay. My man belongs to she.
But she don't know what she put herself
So
in
me
her
when
now.
join anything with her. Or we sign contract say the two of we are gonna share the same man.
Someone have to know about that.
No one know if me sign one contract say me and she are gonna share the same man.
Just
Anytime
wait.
she see me,
Just
anytime
wait.
me buck her, watch me and her.
Just wait,
You know,
friend.
say me one day she know me.
Girl have to know you. I may tell you say sometimes me know I have to want girl to see a relationship and see it go on
I'm
good.
jealous over it, not true. Cause me know me man no stay, so I must say she should ban herself for me man. Can you have your good man for you know me understanding up Pinky.
Yeah,
Say we have your
temptation out
good
the
man
girl.
and your animal live such a nice life and the devil just woke up in a son little germs the girl to come and take with me man. But she not get him.
You
Oh,
have to fight for your man and
so
fight for
all
your
the way my
relationship.
man a give to she better take it then now cause she no have no more
And you know,
to
say
get.
she not get nothing. Because one thing with one boy, you know.
He
You
not
know, so
get-
easy.
You not get nothing. Me we find out.
Yeah,
Sometimes
like
some
you,
man are general, then we go on like they not give no girl nothing on the road and them a give them.
I don't put nothing past him for you at this point. I can't believe
You know,
it.
see my man good looking and he look thick and fit and nice like in got gym. What do you, any girl will see him on the road and love him off.
He need to do better though. As
But he
far
fit
you
do
come
better.
from.
Long
Far.
time we are come from far and now. You know what, anyway, I cook me did a cook.
Stop it nice, girl. We just that. Stop it on. Me look around see chicken come on up. Stop it,
Oh,
man.
God.
At least make my friend laugh still,
Oh,
girl.
God. Anyway, you sure say, will you just tell me I saw it go?
Here, girl, I mean it, me sure, girl.
Alright, listen here now.
You know me not come telling a
Listen,
lie.
the reason, me know you're not telling no lie, but the reason why me I say it is because me no want police like me no want go no jail or nothing for something where never go so. You understand? Me want sure say the girl that they with me man, me bust her ass. So jail or no jail, me no response. I mean know me
Friend,
go to jail.
remember say me I did it too, you know. So me I go jail for no reason and set up my friend like that. Me sure the girl
we
will
not
take your
fit go no
man.
jail. We can't get with liar.
Friend, here what? Cause I'm man like that. Here one of friend. You see when the boy come home, type in, she find out and swap up to my friend and tell her, I don't talk to you, man. I know my pop bun up. When me I tell her life, I love you later.
Texting friend phone. What you say? Text in friend phone and say she find
No,
out.
go in a WhatsApp
Mhm.
and type in, she find out.
Oh, she find out.
Yeah, cause in a conversation, I go see which name come up, my love.
Lord, Jesus God. All right, thank you, baby love.
All right, my
Me
baby.
pot, me pot.
Hello. How may I hear say you have an other woman otherwise from me? What you mean by? Look here, don't get me angry in this here. And they come like say you don't even care. Look here. Hello, hold on, let me talk. And you alone want to talk. You do wrong? No, sir, you're wrong and strong though. I'm not telling a lie. You're wrong and you're strong. Give me time to talk now, please. So all this time, I put my trust in you. I hear the art. I work every day. I work. Now again, no bun. Make sure that everything alright between the two of we. When I have time, I call you. When I not work, I'm me and you. I always find time for you. So when the time, you not chat foolishness. When the time, I'm not chat foolishness again. When you find time for you have other woman. Look here now, man, calm down now. Am I supposed to angry right now? You know, I don't understand how you vex and angry at me at the same time. Look here. You do your wrongs, and I'm not going to put up with the foolishness. Look here now, man. I tell us I'm not going to put up with the foolishness. And you know what the hottest part about it? And you take my virginity, right? And then now you come and lie to me. You come in front of my face every day and act like everything is okay. Which you have one next girl out there. You feel everything stop here, so you not go say no? You not go so. Me not gonna make my first love go like this. No? You know what? I not even want to talk about this now. I do work and when I reach home, I will deal with this. I can't deal with this right, you know. Look here, your argument, I'm not in a hit. Goodbye. Just come off my phone, please. I don't want to hear your voice right now. Goodbye.